Guys, I said yes.
Yeah, I'm passionate. I work hard to win it, pop it in on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch you.
I said yes. No, seriously, I just wanted to introduce this company to you guys. They actually were kind enough to send over a freaking engagement ring set, and I'm like, what? Like, stop playing with me, because y'all see everybody getting engaged and stuff on social media. Like, y'all trying to tell me something? Like, okay. But no, I actually posted this like a month ago on Snapchat and Instagram, and everybody was like, okay, your nails, you need a filling, but sis, what's that bling on your finger? And that was purposely done because I wanted to kind of incite something. But I wanted to introduce you guys to a brand called Italo Jewelry, and this is the packaging that it came in. I'm definitely going to do an unboxing, so what I'm gonna do is kind of you know, I know I look crazy, but I'm trying to see if I want to unpackage it separately and then show you guys, or what. But I want to show you this main one right here. Okay, my camera was tripping, but I wanted to let you guys see the details of this. Is really nice. It's really minimal, and I love the navy blue and white and gold combination. It just seems really luxurious. I actually went on the site and I can show you personally. As far as engagement rings, I didn't see anything more than $200. Like, literally, this ring right here is $199.95, and I think it's a very great price. Of course, these are not diamonds and, you know, all that good stuff, but I think personally, if somebody asked me to marry them with a ring like this, would I say yeah? I feel like if you've done it right, like, wow me, okay? Wow me. Because I'm not super duper anal or picky about certain things. I feel like it's more so the thought. For my actual wedding band, would I expect something real and all that? Yeah, sure. I think this is a great promise or engagement ring, because, you know, like, we all know, yes, a diamond is a girl's best friend and all that good stuff. But like I said, that can definitely wait to the wedding ceremony. But that's just my personal opinion. So inside, again, I will have close-up shots of this, you know, inserted. So you get your return and exchanges card, and then you get your quality assurance. So you do get a 1-year warranty, which I think is super dope about the company. Over here, this is a sterling silver certification. Why did I say it like that? Certification. And then as far as cleaning your jewelry and stuff like that. So then you have a little cleaning wipe or pad in a cute little mesh bag that has Italo on it. I love, like I said, their color scheme is really, really cute. So then, if I can sit this down, this table is so convenient. You have the actual box here, which is just so elegant, and it has some weight to it, you know. So this ain't but no, I'm actually gonna, like I said, do a close-up. But would you look at how beautiful? I don't know why I went for something so bulky, but I just was feeling it. I was feeling it, okay? Like, I was definitely feeling it. But I'm also feeling the whole teardrop shape. I think those are really pretty. Or what do they call it? Like a pear cut type of shape. I think those are really cute. So let's get into the technicalities. That's been my word today. Boom, boom, boom. So I showed you the packaging. I do want to talk about the certification if I can find it. Oh, okay. So here is the sterling silver certificate, and basically I guess they run it through a machine. I'm no jewelry expert, okay, but it is a silvery metal. And then as far as the jewelry care guide, which I think is really important on how to, because, you know, if you are going to accept a ring that isn't like 100% like diamonds, all that good stuff, gold and all that, I think you should definitely take pride in keeping it as shiny or whatever as you can. Personally, when I wore it, it didn't turn my finger green. That's actually why I wore it and tested it, because I was like, okay, like, honey, I ain't got time for my finger to be trying to fall off, and I'm trying to be nice and accept this $150 or $130 ring, okay? But it says at Italo, our fine jewelry is a precious possession that is designed and crafted to last a long time, but proper care is required. So they do have some simple basic guidelines. Basically, keep your jewelry secure. So store your jewelry in a container to prevent pieces from moving around. Keep your jewelry fabric lined or in the fabric lined jewelry case or in a box with compartments and dividers. If you want to use ordinary boxes, you know, they say just wrap it with tissue paper. So remove your jewelry before bathing, which a lot of people was worried about, because my friend was like, I would wear it every day, and I'm just like, personally for me, I wear gloves if I'm like washing dishes sometimes, but if I'm wearing rings and stuff, even if it's real and all that, I still don't want to like get it wet or have a chance of it slipping down the drain and stuff, even though my drain isn't open, like so I still just take off my jewelry before doing anything, whether it's real or fake. So it says remove before showering or cleaning. Soap can cause film to form, making it appear dull and dingy, which is true. So they do say use jewelry polishing cloths, so I guess, you know, clean it every now and then. It says you can use an old diaper. Interesting. So it says clean your jewelry with care, use warm water to clean it, and avoid cleaning damaged jewelry. Never clean any jewelry that is damaged, cracked, or broken, since the additional handling is likely to worsen it. So that's it on the that's it on the tips as far as cleaning it. So they do have a 1-year warranty. So basically it inspects every time before shipment to ensure that you receive a high quality piece. In the rare event that your item has a defect, you contact customer service. It say they reserve the right to, you know, void the warranty if it shows signs of modification, abuse, or damage beyond normal wear. But I don't think that's fair, because some people work harder than others, okay? It say we will not be responsible for lost and stolen items, but if you, like I said, have a defect in your order, you can definitely send it back within 1 year. So I think this is more so going to secure you if you have popped or you're thinking about popping the question. So you buy the ring, right? You get it, you hold on to it for about 3-4 months, and then when you finally go to actually, you know, look at it and propose, it's like, damn, this ring is messed up, so now you got to send it back. So I think that's good that it protects you in that 1 month period. So lastly, they do have a return policy, and basically to request a return or exchange, you will email them, and I can't stand emails. I like calling people up. Look, hey, this ain't right. This ain't right. So yeah, so you can cancel your orders within 10 hours. I think there's a $10 cancellation fee. It's $20 if you wait 24 hours after. They can't cancel orders once they ship out, so you would definitely have to just send it back, and I believe that you will have to pay for that shipping, okay? So I'll leave everything down below, certain links to their shipping policy, the website, to the exact ring I got. I think I covered everything, and I'm looking over here to make sure I did. So now I'm going to actually unbox it and show you guys what it looks like on my finger. So yeah, I'll save that for this part, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, yeah, let me know down below if you would accept the ring if it was like $150, you know. What do you think about that? Do you think the man is a cheapskate, or the woman, you know, or do you think you're just being too, not high maintenance, but do you think you're worth more than a $150 ring? Or, you know, just let me know your thoughts on it, because I know some people understand it and some people are like, you got me messed up, okay?